Hi guys, welcome back to another video with me, Chosen Petty in the kitchen. Guys, it's been a long time, but guys, I was busy. We're busy looking about my chickens and selling, guys, so you know how them things go. So today I'll be doing some pineapple fish with some mashed potato. Guys, I might have to do one or two at the barbecue, okay? So today I'll be seasoning up my fish. I have some salt and black pepper here. I have scallion and thyme, onion. This is my pineapple, my scotch bonnet pepper, the good country Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper, a piece of sweet pepper, and tomato. Okay, and I have some okra, guys. Yes, I'm going to also use some okra. So guys, all hope you chill along with me and see what is going on in the kitchen today. And over here, guys, I have my sliced fish. Today I'll be washing my fish with a lime. Okay, sometimes guys, I know you see me wash my fish already, but I'm just washing up some lime this evening. Okay, so I'm squeezing my lime on it. Alright, so guys, all hope you enjoy this little video of mine. And guys, how you all doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing good, guys. So yes, guys, I've seasoned up my fish with just salt and black pepper, but you can season up to your choice. All right, over this side I went and I cut up my seasoning. Okay, and I have cut up my Irish potato. So I'm gonna light the stove now, guys, with the water for the Irish potato and the pot for the oil for the fish. All right, so give me a few, guys, and I'll be back. Guys, I just want to big up my camera girl, Giselle. Yes. And when she come from work and she tired, guys, she helped me out. So big up to her for that. And my editor, Crystal. Yeah. So guys, big up. Yes. The fish. Okay. And I'll be adding a little salt for the Irish. Right? Adding a little salt. That's a lot of salt. I'm gonna really use enough salt, like just a little. Alright, so there we go. The salt. Alright. So guys, the water is boiling up for the Irish potato I'm gonna add. Alright. Stir, guys. All right, so guys, I'm doing my bami and I'm doing some coconut milk powder to soak my bami. Okay, so this is it, guys. All right, so I'm going to add my bami to the hot. Frying over this side here. Right, so I'll be adding also in my Irish potato, I'll be putting my okras in. All right, so I'm adding my okras to the pot. All right. So guys, my fried bami is finished fried. All right, so I'm going to take them out. All right, and here I'm going to add them to this plate. Adding my fish now to the pot. Okay. I strain my okra and my Irish potatoes. I'm separating them now, guys. Okay. And guys, you know, me never remember. I throw off the water, the okra water and the Irish water, and drink it. Yes, I never remember to show you that. Next time, guys. So you know, waste anything, and I think the best part of it that you know when you cook it. Alright. So I'm separating. So this is the Irish and this is the okra. Okay. Yes guys, so my fish are fried. Okay. So I'm going to take out this set and I'm going to put in the next set, guys, and I'll be right back, okay, with the finishing touch, the cook down and so on. Alright guys. So guys, I'm putting a little butter. Alright. I was using some butter. Alright. And I'm using some mayonnaise. Alright, mayo. Alright. Using some mayonnaise and I'm using a little sugar. Okay. Alrighty. So I'm going to mash up now, guys. Guys, but just you for the alright guys, so I just do it in the pot, guys. I just mash it in the pot. I never throw it in a bowl for the sake of time. So I finish and this is how it look. Finish mash it up, guys, and this is how it look, okay? Alright. Alright guys, I'll do my onion. And then in my garlic, sweet pepper, right? My scallion, I turn on the stove because I don't want anything to be burned here. I'm also adding my pineapple. Just adding my pineapple. Okay. Some sugar, guys. Some sugar, a little all-purpose seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, a little of this seasoning, guys, just a little bit for taste. There, guys, for taste, guys. I'm using some of this too. Alright, for taste. Alright. Pouring some ketchup in it. Pouring some ketchup. Stir, okay? Look at this, guys. Put the flame on medium heat. Alright, and I'm going to add a little bit of water, okay, for gravy. A little bit of water for gravy, guys. So guys, thank you for your subscribing. Guys, continue to subscribe, guys, and show me love by subscribing, okay? If you're new here, guys, subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thank you very much. All right. As I'll be adding my okra, okay, to the pot. Alright, here you go. Yes, guys. Guys, I'll be also adding my fish now. Alright, fish. My fish. Yes, guys, so this is how it look, guys. Okay, come up with the camera, girl. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna share and come back. Eat with your eye, guys. Eat with your eyes. Alright, over this side, guys, I'll be doing a little washing up here because you have to clean up your cooking area. So I'm going to add a little grease stripper. Because you know, guys, I'm using a lot of grease here, alright? So I'll be washing up, guys, alright? Your area, alright? Yes, guys, my dinner has been finished. Okay, so guys, over here I have my Irish and I put a little parsley face on it. All right, my fish, my bami here, guys, my okra and my pineapple. All right, guys, so guys, this is my dinner. All right, you can make it for your breakfast, lunch, whatever. All right, so guys, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thumbs up, guys. Leave a comment in the comment section, guys. Let me know what you think about it. Alright, guys, talk to me in the comment section. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed and a great one. Bye.